All right, you ever take a bite of an ice cream sandwich and just freeze in pure happiness? That soft, chocolatey cookie, that thick slab of creamy vanilla ice cream. It's nostalgic, satisfying, and kind of mysterious. Because, let's be honest, how do they even make these things? Like, how do they get the cookie to stay soft when it's frozen? How do they shape the ice cream so perfect? And how in the world do they make millions of them a day? Well, we're about to show you. This is Curious Constructs, and today we're going inside the frosty factory world of your favorite frozen treat, the ice cream sandwich. Let's get into it. So here's the thing. Before you can have a sandwich, you need a base. And this isn't your average chocolate chip cookie. The cookie used in ice cream sandwiches is engineered for one purpose: to stay soft even when frozen. It starts in giant mixers where flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and shortening are blended into a thick dough. The dough is flattened into sheets, cut into perfect rectangles. And stamped with those tiny holes you always see. Those are there to keep it from puffing up during baking. Then it goes into a massive tunnel oven, baked just enough to firm up, but not too much. You want it chewy, not crispy. Once they're baked, they head to cooling tunnels, stacked into trays, and wait for the real star to show up: the ice cream. If you're into factory tours and behind-the-scenes builds of the stuff we all love to eat, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. You won't want to miss what's coming up. All right, ice cream time. But here's something you probably didn't know. The ice cream in these sandwiches isn't exactly the same as the scoopable stuff. It's thicker, has less air, and it's built to hold its shape between cookies. Factories start with milk, cream, sugar, and stabilizers, all dumped into huge tanks. After it's pasteurized and chilled, it turns into something that looks a lot like soft serve. Why? Because it needs to stay flowy enough to get shaped, but cold enough to start setting up. And that's where the extrusion machines come in. Picture this: a massive toothpaste tube. But instead of minty gel, it's pumping out slabs of vanilla ice cream. That's what happens in the extruder. Ice cream is squeezed out into perfect rectangles. Then it's chopped and dropped onto the cookie base like clockwork. Robotic arms then slide another cookie on top, and bam, you've got a sandwich. 1, 2, boom! The entire line is synced up so precisely, they can crank out hundreds of sandwiches every single minute. And it's all happening before the ice cream even has a chance to melt. Once those sandwiches are formed, they head straight into the deep freeze. We're talking -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside this long blast tunnel, Cold air blasts through every direction, freezing the bars solid in just a few minutes. This locks in the shape, prevents melting, and keeps the sandwich from going soft in the wrapper. By the time they come out, they're frozen bricks of perfection, ready for packaging. Now it's time to wrap things up, literally. Robotic arms grab each sandwich and move it to the wrapping line. Printed paper or foil is zipped down a chute, heat-sealed in milliseconds, and sent flying down the line. The whole thing is like a dessert ballet, synchronized, fast, and oddly satisfying to watch. After wrapping, sandwiches get grouped into 6-packs, 12-packs, you name it. Then they're boxed up, scanned for quality, and loaded into refrigerated trucks for delivery. And yes, they're kept cold every single step of the way. All right, let's talk upgrades. Because classic vanilla and chocolate cookie sandwiches are awesome. But the factories aren't stopping there. You've got mint chip versions, cookie dough swirls, cookies and cream sandwiches, and even vegan ones made with oat milk or coconut cream. Some factories roll the edges in chocolate chips. Others inject caramel or fudge right into the ice cream slab. And every new twist starts the same way, with a test batch, a few tweaks, and then a full-scale run if it passes the taste test. Bottom line, ice cream sandwiches aren't stuck in the past. They're evolving. So the next time you pull an ice cream sandwich out of the freezer and take that first bite, you're eating something that was built by a team of chefs, engineers, machines, and frozen logic. From the cookie presses, to the ice cream slabs, to the lightning-fast wrapping machines, every step is about consistency, quality, and giving you that perfect bite every time. This is Curious Constructs, where we show you the magic behind the snacks, treats, and tools you never thought twice about. If this video made you hungry or curious, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.